Hi everyone. Till now we have seen the two problems on individual and group replacement. Let us see the third one. So here the total number of resistors were given. So that is 10,000, and the cost of each resistor when you replace it individually, that is 1 rupee, and if you replace the resistors in a group wise, the cost is 35 paisa, that means 0.35 rupees. And the percentage of surviving at the end of each month, that means the percentage of working was given. Now in a reverse case it was given. So in 0th month, so that means at the starting 100% are working, and by the end of first month 97% are working, that means 97% are surviving. That means how many percent are failing? That is 3%. Next, percentage of surviving at end of second month 90%, percentage of surviving at the end of third month, fourth, fifth and sixth. So by the end of sixth month all 10,000 resistors were failing. So first of all what we need the probability of failure kavali. So we don't require the surviving, we require the probability of failure. So let us find the probabilities. So what is the data given? Total number of resistors. So that is N0 is equals to 10,000, that was given to us, and let us find the probabilities. So probabilities is equals to the percentage of failure. First let us find the percentage of failures is equals to in first month, second month, third month, fourth month and fifth month. Percentage of failure in first month 3%, percentage of failure by the end of second month 10%, percentage of failure by the end of third month, that is 100 minus 70, 30%, percentage of failure by the end of fourth month 100 minus 30, 70%, percentage of failure by the end of fifth month, so 100 minus 15, 85, percentage of failure by the end of sixth month, it is 100 minus 0, 100%. Now let us calculate the probability of failure. So probabilities of failure. So P1 is equals to, so probability of failure in first month, so 3% are failing. So in first month means 3% means 0.03. So probability of failure in second month, only in second month, so second month minus first month, 10 minus 3 equals to 7%, and that equals to 0.07. Next, third month, 30 minus 10, that equals to 20%, and the value is equals to 0.2. And next, in fourth month, 70 minus 30, that equals to 40%, that means 0.4. Next, in fifth month is equals to 85 minus 70, that equals to 15%, and that is 0.15. Next, in sixth month, P6 is equals to 100 minus 85, that equals to 15%, that is 0.15. So now we have find out the probabilities of failure in each and every month. So now let us calculate the cost of individual replacement. So the cost of individual replacement we need to find. So the cost of individual replacement equals to total number of resistors by expected life, average life or expected life of each resistor into cost of individual replacement. So first of all, let us calculate the expected life is equals to sigma xi into pi. Now xi is equals to 1 to how many months is given? 6 months. 6. So that equals to 1p1 plus 2p2 plus 3p3 plus 4p4 plus 5p5 plus 6p6. So find the total value. If you substitute all p1 to p6, then we will get as 4.02 months. Therefore, cost of individual replacement is equals to total resistors by expected life or average life into cost, individual cost. So that equals to total are 10,000 divided by expected life 4.02 months into cost of individual resistor is 1 rupee. That equals to, we will get the value 2487.5 rupees. So this one is the cost of individual replacement. Let us find the cost of group replacement. So cost of group replacement is equals to first we need to find the values of N1, N2, N3, N4, N5 and N6. First N1 is equals to N0 into P1. If we substitute all those values, we know already N0 equals to 10,000. Substitute N0 and P1, then we will get N1 is equals to 300. Next, let us find N2. So N2 equals to N0 into P2 plus N1 into P1. If you substitute all values, then you will get N2 equals to 709. Then calculate N3. So N3 equals to N0 into P3 plus N1 into P2 plus N2 into P1 is equals to, then we will get 2042. So now let us calculate N4. So N4 is equals to N0 into P4 plus N1 into P3 plus N2 P1 plus that's all. N2 P2 plus N3 P1. So that equals to N4 value we will get as 4171. Next, calculate N5. N0 into P5 plus N1 into P4 plus N2 P3 plus N3 P2 plus N4 P1. So we will get the value as 2030. And next, let us calculate N6. So N6 is equals to N0 into P6 plus N1 P5 plus N2 P4 plus N3 P3 plus N4 P2 plus N5 P1. So we will get the value as 2590 if you substitute all of them. Now let us find the average cost of group replacement. So first let us calculate for the first month. So for first month is N1, number of resistors are 300. Next 300 here also, and here 300 into 1, 300 rupees. And next one, group replacement, 10,000 resistors are there, and the cost is 35 paise, that is 0.35 rupees. So then you will get 3,500. Total cost 300 plus 3,500, 3,800. Average cost 3,800 by 1, 3,800. So similarly we will calculate N2 here, it is 709, and here up to cumulative we will get 1009, and cost of individual replacement 1009, group replacement 3,500, total cost 4509, average cost 2254.5. And next third month N3, here it is 2042 up to total 3051, cost is 3051, group is 3500, total cost 6551, average cost 2183.66. And in fourth month, only in fourth is 4171, and here 4171 plus 3051, 7,222 we will get. So individual replacement 7,222, group replacement 3,500, total cost 10,722, and average 2680.5. Next, if you take it for fifth month, so N5 is 2030, add this one, then we will get 9,252, individual replacement 9252, group 3,500, total cost 12,752, average cost 2,550.40. Next, in sixth month N6 is equals to 2,590, total 11,842, individual cost 11,842, group replacement 3,500, total cost 15,442, average cost 2,557.0. So if you see the minimum values in the average cost, it is 2183.66, right? But what is the cost of individual replacement? It is 2,487.5. So here it is 2,487, 2183. So which one is lesser? Group replacement. So finally write that conclusion statement as average cost of group replacement that is 2,183.66 rupees less than individual replacement cost, that is 2487.5 rupees. Hence the optimal replacement policy is group replacement for every, here we got in third month, so that's why for every 3 months, for every 3 months, right? So this one is the problems of solving individual and group replacement. I hope you understand all of these problems. Thank you.